Here we go. One nice and clean VIC 20. I never realised that it only says VC 20. But yeah, there you go. And the plastic's nice though. Isn't this screen small? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 characters across. Barely enough for your standard Hello World statement. Got a book. Got a couple of cartridges. This one, Radar Race. Doesn't work. Take it out. Clean the contacts the best I can. No more dirt's coming off. Doesn't seem to work. Mole Attack does though, so I'll stick that on. That's oh wait there. Get out. And we go. There you go. Should you be curious, I'm listening to the Red Army Ensemble from 1964, I think it is. Either way, let's see. There you go. Curiously, cursor keys allow you to reposition the screen. I'm not quite sure why you would need that. Mind. As you can see, this is the standard whack-a-mole thing. Let's see. I'll obviously not be very good at this. Can you see what I'm doing? All keyboard operated. Got a joystick as well. Oh. I also got this. Where is it? This is the Commodore plotter. As you can see, the carriage is empty of pens. I do have some paper over there. The same size seems to be as the Sinclair one, or at least Sinclair Alphacom. So hopefully I can at least get it to move around. I don't know what I'm going to do with the pens though. I think you can get some little pens that work on the Sharp MZ700 series from the Sharp MZ Club website that maybe fit in. But perhaps I can rig something together if I can actually get it to work and get commands to go from the VIC to this. As it stands, I have a VIC with nice plastics, I have a book, and I've got this crummy whack-a-mole game, which really is a bit rubbish. The Red Army Ensemble, however, they are quite fun. Cheery.